Hey guys, I am going to be changing out the bumper on the Tesla Model S. It is a pre-refresh, so 2015, so it still has the Musk cover. I got an OEM bumper from eBay. It's used, about $300, and a bunch of parts. Just want to say thank you so much to everybody on Tesla Motor Club, Dewey and Victor. I know you guys have kind of paved the way. We're going to attempt this tonight, and we'll see how it goes. So let's throw it on some ramps.
For me, 'cause I'm backing up to where I used to be. I won't stand for you being on
Now we're just looking at getting the hardware put back on to the new bumper. We're going to have to trim some on this right here. On the old bumper, there's not as drastic of a loop there.
Yeah, I mean, your best bet is to start with kind of cutting back about, like you said, like right about there.
What we're doing is we're using this universal grill piece. We're just going to cut it to fit and screw it on. And so I just cut all those tabs off. The sensor length between the two middle sensors on the new bumper is 60 inches, but on the old bumper it's 55 inches. So we're running into this issue where there's added tension to the wiring. Alright, so we got the front bumper on. Everything seems to be working okay. We do have some issues right here, fitment issues, I don't know. But beyond that, everything looks okay. All right, here it is, the final product. This is what it looks like. So we have the grill filler piece right here. This is what I got from Charles. I had to trim it a little bit above the Tesla T. Thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. Everything that Tesla Motor Clubs and everybody there has taught me has been really invaluable. Allowed me to complete this project. Thank you guys, and I hope this video is helpful.